Have you ever wondered how long it really takes to master German? The answer might surprise you. Your language goals play a crucial role. What do you want to achieve? Picture yourself using German in a week, a month, or a year. Your native language and any second languages you speak can significantly impact your learning speed. German is complex, but knowing English or Dutch, for example, can give you a head start. Exposure is key. How often do you practice German? The more you immerse yourself, the faster you'll learn. Resources matter. Are you studying alone or attending classes? Diversifying your learning tools can enrich your experience. Motivation and discipline are your best friends. How much time and dedication can you invest in learning German? Let's talk numbers. Reaching German A1 can take up to 150 hours, while C1 might require 750 hours of study. Reaching C1 means understanding complex texts and using German effectively in social, academic, and professional contexts. Can you learn German in 3 months? Yes, but the level of fluency will vary. You'll build a solid foundation for everyday conversations. Ready to dive in? With the right approach and resources, your journey to mastering German starts now.